My OGs gave me what they had to offer growing up, and I utilized it and got me to this level that I'm on now. And I'm learning more from all different type of people throughout the web, throughout the internet, different black leaders that I look up with, that I get game from black leaders, from white leaders to Asian leaders, Mexican leaders. Like I listen, I get game from those who lead. And I want to just tell my folks something, man, real quick. If you mess with me with this Hog On Welding, if you want to be an apprenticeship and you want to learn this shit, you can come and mess with me for a year. I can give you this game in a year. This is working on the job training. And in a year, you'll be able to lead me, go wherever you want to go, close your eyes, pick a place, and go get a bag. Establish Hog On in that area. You see what I'm saying? That's what I want to do. I'm not trying to hold you back. I want you to get over the hump. I'm going to give you something. You go anywhere and get a bag. Because you know why? It's up here now.